How to make a WhatsApp number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make your WhatsApp number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you don't really make a WhatsApp number. What you make is a WhatsApp account, but you need a phone number for that. So make sure that you have access to your phone number and that your phone number is working fine. And after you've done that, you'll be able to send and receive messages on the application here. Then once you've done that, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your phone number over here. Once you've done that, just hit the next option. Then it will send a verification code to that phone number. Once you verify the code or the OTP code, you can verify with a call or something as well. Once you do that, you'll be able to simply log into your WhatsApp ID. This way you can make a WhatsApp account and register for it using a number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.